Good morning. In this session, we will see about the PHP variables, how to create variables, how to declare variables, how to initialize variables. All these things we will see in this session. So, how to create? In PHP, always a variable starts with $sign followed by the name of the variable. If you see the example, PHP tag, in short we can say like angular brace, open angular brace, question mark, PHP, and next $txt is a variable name, is equal to some text, hello world, semicolon, then $x is equal to 5, semicolon, $y is equal to 10.5, semicolon, question mark followed by closing angular brace. So here if you see, the variables are 3 and it is holding 3 different data types of data. One is holding string, one is holding integer, one is holding float value. So we'll see what happens when we execute this. We will open our browser, editor, PHP. If you want to use HTML also, you can dump HTML here, HTML, body, h1, PHP, variables, close h1 tag. Then now we will create variables. For variables we use $. $s is equal to hello world, $I is equal to 21, $f is equal to 5.8. Then we have to use echo to print that. String value is equal to, we use dot, $s, semicolon, echo. You can use break also here. Integer value is equal to $I. Echo. Float value is equal to $f. then closing the PHP, closing body, closing HTML. Now save. Where we have to save? We have to save where actually our XAMPP has been installed, as we are using here web browser and web server. Web server we are using XAMPP. So XAMPP is installed in C drive. So after installation you will get a folder called XAMPP. In XAMPP you will see a htdocs folder. In that htdocs folder again you will see some list of folders. In that you have to select dashboard. In dashboard you have to create your own user defined or our own folder where we do our work or our projects. So here my own folder where I am dumping all my PHP code is my PHP code folder. In that we have to save. So PHP var is the file name and the extension is .php. So I have saved. Now after saving we have to execute this code. So to execute this code, what we have to do? We have to start our XAMPP. To start our server, you have to open our XAMPP control panel. This is what our XAMPP control panel. In the control panel, we will see Apache, MySQL and all this. For the simple programs, Apache is enough. So we'll just start the Apache server. So my Apache server is ready and it is running fine. So when this is running fine, we have to go to our browser, open any browser, type localhost. You will get this particular information. If you are getting this page, that means your XAMPP and Apache server is working fine. So if you observe, you will get localhost/dashboard. So in dashboard, I said I have created my user defined or my own folder where I have done my PHP program. This is my PHP code. Then /PHP var is the file name .php. See, I got the output. String value is equal to hello world, integer value is 21, float value is equal to 5.8. Now we can even change $S1 is equal to, we can use single quote also, that also we will see. Welcome to PHP. And a string $S1. And the string will come to PHP. So this is the two ways to use our strings. One is using double quotes, one is using single quote. Now we can do some more changes to our code, like echo and just simply in double quotes write $s1. This is my second program. This is a break. So in echo what I have written, I used a break and $s1. This is my second program. So what is $s1? It is welcome to PHP. So that will be printed there, and then this remaining whatever text I have written will be added. Just see, execute. See, welcome to PHP. This is my second program. This also, this way also we can do. If I remove $, see I got S1. I haven't got any value of the second string. So you have to be careful. You have to use variable name while using it. So it's $s1. Save F5. So instead of S1, see I got welcome to PHP. This is my second program. Now if there are two variables with numbers, what happens? We'll see. Echo. If I am not using double quotes, I'll just use the variable name $I plus $f save. See, I got addition of that. 21 plus 5.8 is equal to 26.8. So instead of concatenation, it is just adding those numbers. You can add here, adding integer and float. If you write like this, what happens? We'll see. a non-numeric value encountered on line 15, that is 5.8. What is that is? This is not taking. So what do we have to do? We have to keep it in parenthesis. See, adding integer and float, I got 26.8. If I not given parenthesis, it was throwing an error. Now we will see what happens if we add the strings $s plus $s1. A non-numeric value encountered at line 17. So we will see what happens if we give adding to strings it is throwing a warning adding two strings 0. So we cannot use plus for two strings. And we'll see whether we can use this inside double quotes. Yes. Adding two strings, hello world plus welcome to PHP. We got plus. It is not doing concatenation, it is adding the plus symbol. Next we will see PHP print statement. Print statement can be used with or without parenthesis. It is same as our echo, which shows how to output text. Example, PHP tag, if we say like that, and then print, we can use HTML tags also. So we'll see this. Whether we are getting the print or not, we'll see. Simply we'll use PHP only printing the statements. Print I am using print statement. And print this is the program. Simple program on print. Just save it. PHP print dot PHP. Save. So you have to go to our browser, localhost, and to our own program, PHP print dot PHP. See, I am using print statement. This is the program. So I am getting. So I can use both echo as well as print. So we'll see that declaration of variable and printing is possible or not. $S1 is equal to, this is my video, on PHP dollar is equal to $5,000. $B is equal to $6.2. Print $s1 print $s2 print $a dot closing h1 print h1 $b. Save. So what are all we have typed we got. This is my video is string, first string on PHP, second string, integer is 5000 and float value I have taken as 6.2. So using print also all are working fine. We'll add some more here, text we'll see. Float value is equal to int value is equal to string 1 is equal to string 2 is equal to save f5. So string 1 string 2 into value float value. So whatever all we can do with echo we can do with print also. So this is about your print method. Next we will see PHP data types. In this, first we will see PHP integer. How to use PHP integer? When we are passing a value of a number with no decimal point, then it is an integer value. So we have one method called or a function called var_dump function, which returns the data type and its value. So we'll use that now. we'll go to our editor, PHP, variable $x is equal to 20, echo x value is equal to $x. Break, var underscore dump $x. Closing PHP. Save. PHP dt data type dot PHP. Go to browser after saving it. PHP dt or file name. It says syntax error, unexpected var. It's wrong because I forgot we have been using JavaScript, so as here we'll never use var, simply we use $, so to remove that var. Save. It happens. X value is equal to 20. What is x? It's an integer value, and 20 is the data type is integer and value is 20. So var underscore dump will give us both the value as well as of it is of which type also it will give. So we'll see all the remaining. $s is equal to PHP data types. Echo string value is equal to $s. Echo var underscore dump $s. Save, compile. X value 20 into 20, string value is equal to PHP data types. It is giving as data type as string 13 is total number of characters available in that. And the string is PHP data types. So we'll make it big. It is not visible. So I added h1 tag so that it will be visible big. And var underscore dump method also I have kept it in echo. Let us see what we will get. Control S. So x value is 20. var underscore dump, it is giving. Actually it should give the data type, so let's change the code. So I used a dot in echo. We'll see. This was the output if I have given in double quotes. Now I have changed it that. So you got x value is equal to 20. Int of 20. This h1 is not activated. We are using double quotes, it is using variable dump. When we are not using double quotes, we are getting output in small. X value 20, int of 20. So your data type is int, value is 20, string value is PHP data types, string of 13. If you see PHP data types, PHP 3 space 4 data 4 plus 4 8 9 10 11 12 13 types is 5. So total 13 characters. So it is showing string of 13 and value is PHP data types. Now we'll see for float also. Just copy paste. 200.5. fellow 80 float value $f is equal to 100.5 echo $f. So using this echo is waste now for variable underscore dump, because it is not accepting our h1 tag, so no need of using that. Simply you can go with var underscore dump. Even though if you are using echo or not, it is showing the same thing. So we will remove that echo and head h1 tags. Just save. So integer value is in 20, string value is no float value I have written. So data type also I got float, float float, and then it is giving the value. Next to boolean we will see what we will get. Control C. $b1 is equal to true. $b2 is equal to false. Boolean value is equal to $b1 and $b2. Here $b1 var underscore dump $b2. Save. So boolean value is equal to 1, and here 1 means true and false means 0. So when we print in PHP, 0 is not printed. That's why it is not showing any value, 1 and nothing. If you see that using var underscore dump, you got bool open parenthesis true close parenthesis, and bool open parenthesis false and close parenthesis. So here PHP in our browser, it won't display 0 value. It only displays true and false values. For that, true means 1 and false means 0. So that's why 0 is not available here. But with variable underscore dump, we got what type it is. It is true and false. This array declaration we'll see in the next, because we'll have to declare more about that, learn more about that arrays. PHP null we'll see. If you give null, what happens, we'll see. dollar n is equal to null var underscore dump dollar n. Save. See, we got null, null. If we are given value as nu, ll in small, we got null. So this is the data type. So this is about PHP data types. This is integer, this is string, this is float, this is boolean, and this is null. Remaining arrays we will see while discussing about PHP arrays. Thank you.